In almost every animal species on Earth, it's the female's job to give birth. But the seahorse has completely flipped the script. Here, it's not the female but the male who gets pregnant. The male's belly swells, the male goes through labor, and the male is the one who gives birth. The seahorse is likely the only animal in the world where the father carries the young. But why this reversed system? And how exactly does a male get pregnant? Let's dive into one of nature's most bizarre secrets. First, let's understand how it happens. Male seahorses have a specialized pouch on their bellies called a brood pouch. This pouch functions much like a human woman's uterus. When it's time to mate, the male and female perform a courtship dance that can last for hours. They intertwine their tails, change colors, and swim in perfect sync. Then, the female deposits her eggs directly into the male's brood pouch. The male fertilizes them with his sperm right then and there, and that is where his pregnancy begins. What happens inside is even more mind-blowing. The brood pouch isn't just a simple sac. Research shows that during pregnancy, blood vessels increase within the pouch, the walls thin out, and a placenta-like structure develops very similar to what happens in a human pregnancy. This placenta provides the babies with oxygen and nutrients while protecting them from external threats. Most impressively, the male gradually alters the chemistry of the water inside the pouch. Initially, the fluid is similar to his body fluids, but as the babies grow, he slowly shifts it to match seawater. This ensures the babies don't face a salt shock when they are finally born. Essentially, the male handles oxygen, nutrition, and environmental control all on his own. Then comes delivery day. After a 2 to 4 week pregnancy, the male begins to experience labor pains. His abdomen undulates and contractions set in. He contorts his body repeatedly, and then, with sudden thrusts, hundreds of tiny fry baby seahorses are shot out of the pouch. A single birth can result in anywhere from 50 to 1,000 babies. Just a few hours after giving birth, the male is ready to get pregnant again. This cycle continues throughout the entire breeding season. The big question is, why the male? Why doesn't the female do it? The answer is speed. Once the female passes her eggs to the male, she can immediately start producing a new batch. While the male is busy brooding one batch, the female is already preparing the next. This means as soon as the male gives birth, the female is ready to provide more eggs. This teamwork allows them to produce as many offspring as possible during the breeding season. High numbers are vital because only 0.5% of the babies, about 5 out of every 1,000, survive to adulthood. The rest are lost to predators.